SC4500i. THD less than 3%. Max output 4.2 kilowatts. Rated output 4 kilowatts. Parallel fiction. It can also be connected in parallel to double the power. The net weight is 38 kilograms. The fuel tank is 10 liters. And the full load output is about 9.5 hours. Wheels and handlebars are basic configurations for easy movement. Start method. One-touch start, manual start. Step 1. Add oil. Step 2. Add gasoline. Step 3. Connect the battery cable. Method 1. One-touch start. Turn on the fuel switch. Turn on the battery switch. Long press the one-touch start switch. Connected load use. Disconnect the load after use. Long press the one-touch start switch to turn off. Turn off the battery switch. Turn off the fuel switch. Start method 2. Manual start. Turn on the fuel switch. Turn on the battery switch. Pulling the pull cord. Turn off the battery switch. Turn off the fuel switch.